Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a logo for your business or personal use in Canva app. So first of all, to do this, we will go to Canva app. We will write here canva.com, and then to make a logo, we will go to search and type logo and hit enter. Now here you will find a lot of templates on which you can make your logo. For example, there are a large number of templates here, and we will select a template from which we can make our logo. For example, we will select this template, and then the editor will be opened, and now we can edit our logo. So first of all, what I will do is to erase all the text and photo elements, and then I will customize it according to my needs. For example, I have to create a logo for a travel agency, so the color of the logo should be around yellow, so we will adjust the color to yellow, and then we will add a text bar. We will go to text and add a heading. So we will add first we will add a logo, which we will go to elements and type, for example, M. That would be the starting name of the company, and then from here we can pick a lot of elements, for example, which we like. For example, I can pick up so I will pick up this element and adjust it to my desired size. For example, this is right, like this. And now we will go to text and add a heading. So we will type here MUDA, which is the name of the company, and we will, for example, place it like this here. And you could do a lot of editing here with the elements as you like. For example, you can add shadows or highlights or different fonts. For example, if I type here, so you can see I can add a lot of fonts here and change the icon size or make it bold or a lot of stuff. So here I can also change the font. For example, if I like this font, I can change it here and adjust it to make it look nice. Now we will add a circle around the M. You can add elements or text, or you can add your own pictures, or you can add templates to your logo as you like. There is a lot of option in Canva, and you can choose according to your needs. Now here we will write here circle and pick up a circle frame. Now we will adjust it according to the requirement of the logo. For example, this is looking nice, and now we can add a text box for a little bit of text. For example, I will write here travels and tour, and then I will paste it down here, and I can also increase the text size to which could be seen easily. For example, this is looking right, and that's all. Your logo is done. And now to save it, what you have to do is you have to download the logo in a PNG file, and then download, and it will be downloaded as a image format, and then you can use it anywhere you like. So guys, that was a quick tutorial on how you can make logo using the Canva app. It's a very easy and user-friendly app that everybody can use to make your company or personal logos. Hope you guys like my video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.